Hello guys, welcome to this video where I will be showing you how I make my Zobo drink for detoxification. Also in this video, I will be making some pineapple and banana milkshake, so stay tuned. For the recipe, I will be using 2 pineapples. So I will just go on and wash the skin of the pineapples because I will be using it for our Zobo drink. I'll use a paper napkin to dry my pineapple before cleaning it. I'll just go on and clean my pineapple as you can see, and then I will cut it into small slices. This pineapple, I will then use it for our pineapple and banana milkshake. Now that everything is done, I will go ahead and put the skin of the pineapples into the pot. We are going to use it to make our Zobo drink. And then I will go on and rinse my hibiscus leaves. These hibiscus leaves are of course dry leaves, so make sure to rinse them because at times they come with sand in them. So I will just give it a good rinse and then I will add it into the pot with the pineapple skin. I will be using 1 lemon for this recipe. I will also be using the skin, so I will just go on and slice it into small pieces. I will just cut them again into 2. And then I will add them into the pot. I will also be using some cloves. Here is 2 tablespoons of cloves. I will just go on and pour it inside the pot. Ginger. For the ginger, I did not remove the skin. I just went ahead and rinsed them, grated them, and then add them into our Zobo. Water. We need water. For this recipe, I'm using about 2 liters of water. I will cover it and then bring it to heat until everything is cooked. While our Zobo is cooking, I will go on and make my pineapple and banana milkshake. This banana actually I didn't want to throw it, so I thought, why not? Let me add it into the recipe. So I went ahead and removed parts that were not that good, and then that which was good, I added it into the recipe. I also added some almond milk, which gives the name pineapple banana milkshake. Then I will just go ahead and blend everything into a smooth consistency. This is a very simple recipe. That was it, just a simple recipe. I went ahead and added some ice cubes to make it more chill. Just look at that, how delicious. So that is our recipe for pineapple and banana milkshake. At this point, our Zobo is ready, as you can see. So I will just go on and mix it again. So I will go on off the heat and allow it to cool down. After cooling down, I went ahead and sifted it. I added some honey to give it that taste. Remember, honey is an antibacterial middle, so it is very good for you to add honey in this recipe. But if you don't want, you can serve it like that. So just look at that. My Zobo drink for detoxification, very delicious, tastes very good. I also added some ice cubes to give it that refreshing taste. Just look at that. So yeah, if you're watching this video up to this point and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will get a notification. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.